Hello, my guys. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT, an AI model from OpenAI. So this cool AI has already changed the world. Already changed the world in a ways that, hey, things couldn't be like this without ChatGPT. So actually, right now to open ChatGPT, all you have to do is type chat.openai.com. Chat.openai.com. You are inside ChatGPT. Now the next step is the fun step. From here you have to play with ChatGPT in a way that the first thing I believe is you have to assume ChatGPT is a person. You have to assume ChatGPT is an agent, a partner, so that you can make the best prompts off of it, the best results off of it. So the first question I want to ask, the first prompt is going to be, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of life? No, of money. Let's talk about money. Yeah, let's talk about money. What is the meaning of money? The GPT are just giving me some funny things here, but yeah, it works. That's how you use ChatGPT for beginners.